Now we are going to see the important questions related to the political science 3. So first is a non-state actor. So here the meaning is asked with the examples. Non-state actors, non-government bodies are called non-state actor. Not all actors plays governmental roles in the international scene. NGOs means non-governmental organization are also non-state actor. Terrorist criminals, this group held great power and can influence the international relation between states. The destructive attack of 11 September 2001 by members of Al-Qaeda has demonstrated the increasing power that technology gives terrorists as non-state actors. Means here we can see the non-state actors are called NGOs also, and the terrorist and the criminal groups also, because they can also influence the international politics. Then international criminal groups, these are also the non-state actors, as they are the violent non-state actors, and the NGOs are the non-violent non-state actors. So the international criminal groups, these are also considered as non-state actor. These actors create big groups to make a profit through illegal activities. Most of these groups are involved in drugs, prostitution, human trafficking, firearms, and many other crimes. Example of international criminal groups are Yakuza in Japan, Sicilian Mafia in Italy, then Trads in Hong Kong, Macau, and Taiwan. These are the examples of international criminal groups. The non-state actors are divided into two types: violent non-state actor and non-violent non-state actor. In that violent non-state actor, these include rebel groups, criminal network organization led to worship, often bear the potential to disturb the peaceful environment, leading violence to flare up again. Means in this non-state actors we have seen violent and non-state. So in violent it includes the criminal networks, then rebel groups, poachers, smugglers, gangs who carry illegal business are also called as violent non-state actors. In that examples, first is terrorist. So these group held great power and can influence the international relation between states. The destructive attack of 11 September 2001 by members of Al-Qaeda has demonstrated the increasing power that technology gives the terrorist as a non-state actor. Then international criminal groups, we have already seen this. Then next is the poachers. As the poachers, a person who hunts animals illegally. Poaching is the illegal hunting of wild animals, trapping and sometimes killing them. It has been required for a variety of purposes, including the demand of land for human use, for the demand of rare animal products like fur, ivory, organs, skin, teeth, bones, nails, blood, etc. This is considered as an illegal action. So in violent non-state actors, terrorists, then international criminal groups and poachers. In section, according to section 428 of IPC 1860 and section 429 of IPC 1860, reads that killing, poaching, maiming, poisoning or torturing an animal is a cognizable offence and immediately FIR must be lodged in area police station. Then fourth is smuggler. As smuggling is the illegal transportation of objects, substance, information or a people, such as out of a house or buildings into a prison or across an international border. There are various motivations to smuggle. These include an illegal trade of drug trade, illegal weapons trade, exotic wildlife trade, illegal immigration, tax evasion, means escaping or avoiding a tax, then providing contraband to a prison inmate or the theft of the items being smuggled. So smuggler is also considered as the violent non-state actor. Contraband means refers to any item that is illegal to be possessed or sold. This good which are considered too dangerous or offensive in the eyes of the legislator is termed as contraband. And moonshining, the practice of illegal making or smuggling distilled spirits. Moonshine was originally a slang term for high proof liquor that was produced illicitly without the government authorization. The name was derived from the tradition of creating the alcohol during the night time as to avoid detection. So it is known as moonshining. So first you have to write The definition of the non-state actors, you can write it in 2 or 3 sentences. Then you have to write the examples of it. Then the non-state actor is divided into two types, violent and non-violent. Then in violent you can write terrorist and then international criminal groups and poachers. On the marks it depends. It is not necessary to write all these points. If the question is of 3 marks, that write what is non-state actor, then you have to write the definition in 2 or 3 sentences, and you just have to write the types, violent, non-state actor and non-violent. In that violent you just have to write the heading. You don't have to explain all these points. It also depends on the marks. So here we have completed the important question, that is the non-state actors.